Digital Capital, as you know, is one of the most prolific venture capital funds in the world. We invest roughly $500 million every year in startups globally, and we are, in general, we are stage agnostic, but we are, I would say, mostly centered around Series A and B stage startups. Our goal is to look for founders who want to change the world and make an impact using their startups and have already gotten some product market fit, because then we can help them grow from there by bringing them more customers, more partners to them, and hence we help them succeed, and we also succeed as part of that story. The hottest industry to invest is transportation, in my humble opinion. I think that's a sector that has not gone through a transformation for decades, but now is the time that it is going through that. You can look at Tesla, you can look at Waymo, Uber, what is happening in transportation as a sector, not just self-driving cars, but a whole data economy that is coming up. That is really exciting to us, and I think now is the time to do that change, because consumers want a much better experience during their transportation ride, and the car makers are saying, hey, I want a more digital experience, I want to provide a more digital experience to the consumers as well.